Come with me as I head to the Ulster final with the Irish News. So, aim the game, get there early, avoid the traffic of Clonus. So I was there about 2 o'clock. The ladies' game was thrown in at 3. Got me press pass sorted, match programmes, whatnot, and up to the box, get the laptop set up. And I was on live blog duty, so you want to get as much stuff as you can out for people not able to make the game. Bluffing away and managed to catch Niamh Coleman's third goal on camera for Armagh. That was pretty much the win of the game before they did the trophy lift and down to the tunnels to get videos of men's teams coming out. This young fella, not too lucky in the high fives, but I suppose he got as many as I did. So back up at the box then, late changes came in. No word of Rian O'Neill starting, that was the big talk. We had seen him coming in off the team bus. Then the teams were marching around the pitch as they do before the game. Jim McGuinness, he was down below us. This ball was turned over and you can see Sean Patton sprinting back there, but McGuinness was cool as ever on the sideline. Then you were trying to get as much done as you could at half time of the game when you have a bit more time for analysis. Second half was hectic. That was Oisin Connolly's equaliser, took us extra time. I think Ciarán Moore obviously got the goal, didn't manage to quite get it, but there's the Donegal celebrations widely at the end. Obviously it was an absolute classic of a game, and Ciarán Moore's second goal proved crucial in the end. The Donegal faithful spilled out on the pitch. Paddy McBrearty with the cup lift, and that's pretty much business done for the day. Midway back to the car, and Dennis Mission beat the traffic going home.